outside. If you know, you already know then. If you don't, meet Jixana. Bang! One of a kind, you get me? I won't show you the other side because the other side's a bit rough to hold on. Wait. See when you got kids, yeah? See when you got kids messing with your things. But yeah, here what now? Come with me, we're gonna go on a quick ride. I've chosen this time of day because when you're on a bike, what's called traffic? The word traffic don't mean nothing. You hear me? So glad I never stalled then. There's no traffic around here at the moment. I don't even know where I should go. It's one of them ones as I wanted to get outside. So this is an aimless ride. Do a little bit of traffic weaving, you know, like that. But yeah, I've been away for a minute. Haven't really done no videos for a while. So I thought, yo, I need to get back on it because there's certain people that are telling me, yo, you need to be posting on your thing again. I can't see no more videos from your thing again. So I'm trying to, just trying to grow up my thing. So it feels a bit cliche, but like, share and subscribe on my thing, innit? Yeah? I think we're gonna take a slow ride into city centre then. Because what's name's traffic? Ain't nothing called traffic when you're on a bike, you know. See this Astro Turbo here? It's blocking up the Bomber Clock Road. Yo, Freedom and them locked away on the way to the Penna. But yeah, people, I don't even know what I really wanted to talk to you about, but I just wanted to talk to you, innit? So where's he speeding going? Slow down, man. I don't want to go to jail too quick. You know, like that. I don't even know if there's somebody in there. Maybe he's picking somebody up. I don't know. But listen, people. Summer this year is going to be a mad thing. If you got a bike, you already know. If you ain't got a bike, I wish you had a bike car. Boy. It's gonna be a nice one. Pullers. Yeah, I feel like this summer's gonna be a real nice one. At the moment, I don't even know if you can hear me, you know, because my exhaust is absolutely bugging out. Absolutely bugging out. Come on, mate. Careful you don't knock over my head. Yeah, man, so right now we're coming out of West Bromwich. If you know, you know. Boing baggies and all that. Big Albion ground. If you support them, you already know. So yeah, I feel like we're gonna just take a slow ride into town. This is my go-to ride if I got nothing to do. But I feel like I need to get out for a bit. This is the one, you know. I just ride to town for no reason at all. If you got a bike already, you know, like just you and your bike, your helmet, pause. And your thoughts, man, just to clear your head for a bit. It's just nice to just get out and drive anywhere. So these aimless rides are the one. It's not every time you gotta be going somewhere. Not every time there's a motive, you know, like that. So that way, you go down and you come out on Soho Road, but I don't want to go that way. So we'll go the back street way. Yeah. Some of the viewers will know this way. Some of the viewers will know the ends. Shout out man like Brum Biker. Yeah. I like his comment. I like his content and that, because when he's riding around, I know the areas that he's riding around in. Same goes to S1 Biker. Ooh, what traffic? Huh? Ooh, not me, brother. Yeah, what was I saying? Same goes for S1K boy, aka NRJ, I think it is. I like his content as well, cause I can see the ends in his videos, and I like that. Resonates with you if you know the road, innit? Or you know the routes, should I say. So yeah, I know all of these guys are pissed. All of these guys are pissed that I'm cutting through. I don't even want to go down the outside today, I want to go in the middle. Let me go on the inside of it. Rider. Feel violated when I nod like that and the man don't nod back, you know. Not even gonna lie to them. Yo, these man are pissed. Some of these man are pissed that I've just rode all the way down. It's a shame I can't do the school run on the bike, bro. So my son gets a little older now. I'll just ride through prime time and go pick up my ute. But yeah. For those who ride, you know. For those who ride, who don't ride, get to know. And also, let us bikers through, man. Stop being selfish with the tarmac. It's like, man, don't want to let man through and that. Like, you want to be jealous that we're gonna get to where we're going, or you want to hug up the road and that. It doesn't really make no sense, car. A couple meters down the road, if not miles, we're gonna pass it anyway. So make it make sense, man. I have to say, since getting my license and being a biker, I have been way more aware of bikers on the road when I'm in my car. I'm one of the guys that will move over to the left and let man pass and that. Whereas before, I didn't. Not to say I was annoyed when bikers passed me, car. It doesn't make sense getting annoyed. That road rage shit, it's a mentality thing. Overcome that ages ago. I'm an old man now. All that fast driving and all of that, I've got that out of my system. So done and dusted. I'm not into that no more. It's all about the safe driving, bro. My daughter right now, imagine I got an 18-year-old daughter, and she's doing her driving lessons now. My 18-year-old daughter's doing her driving lessons now, and it's a thing where I want her to be safe. I don't even want her to be doing the things that I was doing when I was 18. You understand? You think about things differently when you're a parent, innit? Things just resonate and hits different. But yeah, we're in Handsworth now. This is the Grove pub. If you don't know, food's bad there still. My girl's on her phone and that. Tut. What are you doing on your phone, man? Head down and that. She never went much further, but still. Pay attention, use that, man. Come on. Yeah, so yeah, especially when I'm driving with my daughter, I'm trying to drive all calm and that to instill good habits into her before she picks up the bad ones. You hear me? Yeah, so we're taking a nice calm drive through the ghetto. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, man, get some breeze. Nice little breeze from my bar lid. I hope that this footage is looking better than my old footage as well, because I've upgraded my camera. That's another thing that I'm going to do as well. I'm going to do a comparison video, because I used to have a GoPro Hero 10. And now I got a DJI Action 5. Pow pow, big thing. Pause. Big massive upgrade, man. Massive upgrade. Watched a lot of videos about this camera, and I've been wanting one for ages. I've been wanting to upgrade my GoPro 10 for a while, and I've been watching the videos, and originally I bought a Hero 4. And then I did a little bit more research and found out that the Hero 4, I bought a Action 4, and then I did a little bit more research and found out that the Action 5 was way better. So I took it back, got my money back, and then invested in an Action 5, which is stupidly better. Just the fact that obviously well, not obviously, but I'm speaking on my DJI mic mini. So the fact that with the Action 4 I can still connect my mic mini, but I could only connect one, and I'd have to use a transmitter to connect the others. With this one I can connect two, so I can do little interview videos or whatever. Can do all of that. And the internal storage, better battery life, and the internal storage as well, which is a game changer. And there's a lot of people that go out and you forget your memory card and then you're fucked. No memory card, you can still do content with this. Can't remember how much it was. Cousin, son. Remember how much, but yeah, man, internal storage is a game changer. I don't have to worry about have I got my card or not? Did I remember my card or what? Don't matter, I can just roll. Obviously it is beneficial to have a card instead of the memory, because you'll have more memory on the card, depending on what card you have, obviously. But yeah, man, cool. Yeah. But yeah, man, that, and I've found out I'm a keen photographer as well, and I found out that the camera is good to take photographs with. I know what you're thinking, an action camera, taking photographs with the action camera, but yo, the camera is bad. Especially when you pair it off with there's got like a little camera grip. So yeah, if you got Action 4 or Action 5 or Action 6 even, look into that. It's a game changer. So I'm gonna do a lot of vlogging on this channel. Not just motorbike vlogging though. Got some trips planned this year, so I plan to take you all with me. So you can live vicariously through me. Is that the word? Vicariously? You guys can live through me, innit? So we can all go together. And you know what? Let me pull over. Because, right? You know when man could never find neutral. Flipping on. Yeah. I haven't even got my chin strap on. Fuck's sake. Matters. This guy going. Go on, brother. Cool. I don't even remember what I was saying now. Wait up. I don't even remember what I was saying again. But yeah, that camera, the camera attachment for this camera is amazing. Adds stability to the camera. So you'll probably see some of that as well. But yeah, we are coming to town now. University of Law. I'm not in a rush, we'll wait at the lights. Texaco. Some tall ass buildings. You know what to say, if you can drive in Birmingham, right? You can drive it anywhere. Cause you need to be a bad boy driver to drive around here, cause it's crazy. People drive like loonies. Absolute Looney Tunes. So yeah, obviously I can't hear how this footage sounds at the moment. I'll have to check it afterwards. Go on. Go on. Told you I'm not in no rush, man. I'm just enjoying the ride. I'm not late for an interview. The wolf, you know. Dead bird. So yeah man. And to all of those people that was asking me if I recommend them doing a bike license, I do. Do it. I've been riding for a couple of years now. I've been riding now 4 years. Something like that. 4.5 years, something like that. And my only regret, I got one regret, and my only regret is that I didn't do this one earlier. I remember being annoyed with myself, like, nah, this is fun, bro. As an older gentleman though, I feel like I have the resources and the, what's the word? The resources and the maturity to do it properly now. Whereas if I had a bike when I was 20, I would have been a madman on it. I feel like I was still in my, at that age I was still in my speed era, and that's not a good era to be in on a bike still, if I'm being real. Rev bomb is mandatory in a tunnel, you have to. My hands are tired, man, I have to. No choice, no choice. No choice, my instructor said I had to. That's how they taught me, I have to.